Aventics, our area of expertise, is impressing people. Over 2,000 employees across the globe with many years of experience and comprehensive know-how work for your success, day after day. With great efficiency. The air surrounding us all every day is the breath of life for our pneumatics and the fascinating driving force for our ideas. You reach your goal with our components for commercial vehicle technology, even under the most extreme conditions. We are at your side on the bridge thanks to our marine technology, and transport your products quickly, precisely, and quietly. We have a passion for fascinating solutions. As the leading technology specialist, we set trends in special applications with integrated electronics and state-of-the-art materials. With our edge in knowledge, we are the experts who increase your productivity. Focused and with heart and soul. Agile, focused, and with passion, we develop solutions that day in and day out confirm that we're the right partner for you. Aventics, expertise for you.